Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 model Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited, stock reference number 5647. This shape runs from the 4th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2016. It has a 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel-drive transmission. 3-litre V6 turbo diesel engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left front guard has clear coat peeling, left power door mirror, left front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both left-hand doors have no damage. Left rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has no damage. Right front door has one small dent and a light fold on the rear edge. Right power door mirror, right guard also peeling, and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic gear shifter, touchscreen sat nav, control panel and display screen in one, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.